It is a 3-bedroom apartment in Turrella. The price guide is $960 to $1,050,000. It's 177 squares, so it's quite a big unit. It's got pools, gyms, and all the rest of it. But what was a little interesting was they've actually split it, so it can either be a 3-bedroom apartment or a 2-bedroom apartment and a 1-bedroom apartment.
I don't think they can assume that.
No. Have a look at the floor plan on this one. You'll see it here. Like they've split it.
Oh, yes. I know that the sellers are saying that,
yeah.
But I guarantee you they've put subject to council approval, and I guarantee you, because you can't do that to an apartment. I mean, sorry, this is an apartment or a duplex?
No, it's an apartment. It's unusual how they've done this setup with a split door access to the left and right, 2 kitchens, 2 bathrooms.
Yeah.
So they've sort of set it up that way.
I don't believe you can legally get that through council.
All right.
So, look, it is a nice apartment. It's
Strata's $1,500 a quarter, which is quite high.
Yeah, it's not something that I would buy again. I don't buy apartments because I don't have control.
It's all about control. And as I've talked about in my books, like we don't really do anything in apartments. Apart from everything we've talked about, one of the problems I have with apartments is that there can be issues within the building where you might get special levies. So if the building gets concrete cancer, for example, every owner within that building needs to pay a special levy, even if there's nothing wrong with your apartment itself. So you can't really control. So you might have a lot of outgoings that come in, and suddenly you've got a $50,000 bill for something that you can't control because something in the building. So it's best probably to avoid things like that. Maybe nice for lifestyle if you want to buy something like that to live in, but even that I probably would.
All right, so this week we got no deals.
No deals.
No deals next week.
And you know what? That's okay not to have any deals. You don't want to buy property just flippantly for the sake of saying, hey, I bought a property.